So the next one, which is HTML styles. Control K, Control C. HTML style attribute. What is the HTML style attribute? HTML style attribute is an HTML element, can be done with the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax, like you put it is a tag name, style, and then property, and then the value. This is the syntax of HTML styles. So I will put this line as comment, Control K, Control C, and we will follow this syntax to create a background color. For example, let's go in the body tag. Here we have body tag. So here the tag name, so tag is already there, which is body. Now the style, which comes from here, style, and then is equal to, and then the property which we want to change it, which is background color. Okay, and now we have to provide the value. So value can be, let's take a blue one. So you see the background color of our page, of the body element, it is changed. So let's take another one. Instead of blue, we can choose, let's cornflower blue. You see the background of our page, which is the body, because body is the main tag of our page, it is changed. So let's remove this one. Okay, let's change the color of our paragraph. Okay, so which is style, and then in commas you put background color, and you can choose as a crimson color to see that color of our paragraph, the background of our paragraph is changed. Let's change of our predefined pre-element, which is style, and then the background color, let's choose dark green for this one. You see it is changed. So this is how you can use the style attribute in your HTML page. So don't forget, the syntax is the tag name is already there, which is pre, and then you have to put the style, and then the property name and the value. So the properties are CSS properties. You will see more in the coming series. You have background color, which is property, and the value is dark green. You can put whatever you want as a value. Whatever you want means which are already defined in HTML. So you can choose either green, white, red, blue, whatever color you want. So these properties are defined by HTML, and the value you can define by yourself. So this is how we can create attributes for our HTML tags. Now, for example, if you want to change the font of one of your paragraph, so changing fonts, Control K, Control C. So this is H1. We can create a tag, this is a heading and we want to change the font. Okay, it is there now. As the syntax is, so style is equal to in commas font family, and you can choose like Franklin Gothic medium. You see, just change. Now let's change to another one. What we have, let's choose Giorgio. You see, this font has been changed. So for example, if you want to increase the size of your text, let's copy this line. So to copy the same the line, it is Shift Alt and arrow down key. Let's remove this one. So this is simple text heading we have. So this is heading and we want to change the text size. Okay, so the first thing is style is equal to in commas let's change to font size. Yeah, this is the property, and the value we want 300% increase the, you see, it has increased the size of our text to 300%. Let's do it to 200%. You see, it has reduced. Let's do 50%. You see, it is too small. 160%. Or you can use the pixel as well, like 200 pixel. It is very big, I think. Yeah, so don't use the pixel, use the percentage. So 110%, which is 10% more than 100%. So this is how you can change the text size. So the next property of CSS is text alignment. Control K, Control C to put as comment, to put in comment. So text alignment, this is the CSS property. Text alignment, text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. So let's create h2 and then centered heading. Okay, so now the syntax is style hyphen property, which is text align and then center. So see, now our text is centered. And let's create a copy that line, and then instead of center, let's choose what we have. So you have left as well, right. Let's choose right. So now right heading, because by default our heading or all HTML tags are on the left side. So this is how you can use CSS properties and to decorate your HTML tags. If you want to change the text color, because here we have only changed the background color. Now if we want to change the color of this line, so let me change this one, only the property hyphen color dark green. Oh, there are two. So the color has been changed, which is in green. Style hyphen color yellow. Okay, this is dark orange, sorry, that one has been changed. So here you have seen that the only the color of the text we can change easily, but if you choose the property as a background color, it will create a new color, it will change to a new color of the whole element. Here we just want to change the color of our text, not the background of that element.